Hey guys, it's Amber, and I just wanted to share a couple more December daily items I got in the mail today. So I have some stuff from Heidi Swapp and from Felicity Jane. I bought Heidi Swapp's Halloween papers from her Halloween kit this year, and I love them. They're 7.5 by 9, so they're plenty big if you want to do a 6 by 8 album and have them be outside the page protector. You can just trim them down a little bit, but they have some really nice distress, great colors, and you get 2 of each in the pack, and it's not very expensive, so I just thought I'd share these with you. So we've got a really nice candy cane stripe here, a blue and white like checkered, a buffalo check, got a red and white stripe. It's kind of on like a material background, like fabric. I love this tree paper. There's lots of detail and distress and little snowflakes in the background. There's a multicolored polka dot, a red and white polka dot, like painterly dots, candy canes, and they have different stripes and some pinks and whites in there, which is pretty. A nice plaid, and then like cocoa mugs with snowflakes. And then the back of each of these has a really great set of colors. So we've got a brighter green, a darker green, dark red, a nice like blush, a white grayish kind of tone, a nice light blue, a really bright green, pink, more of a teal blue, and then more of like an orangey red. So really love those. And then I just got a handful of embellishments to go with it. So she does sell Tim Holtz distress oxide inks on her site. I actually messaged her and she responded back to me on Instagram, and I asked her why she used oxides instead of the regular dye inks, and she just said they provided better coverage for her. And I watch a lot of her snippets on Instagram, and I agree. So I got these 2 for Christmas, the Rustic Wilderness and the Festive Berries. And then I got a set of the puppy stickers. Just thought they were really cute. Little Santas. I love that she included multiple skin tones. A card with little trees on it, some holly, candy canes, gingerbread men, presents, snowflakes, and trees. And then there's a set of mug. She called them gift tags. They come with some ribbon, or twine, I guess. It's really nice and thick. I just thought these would be fun, and she also mentioned too that a lot of the stamps here would fit on them, so I thought that was kind of a fun thing. So there's 2 of the pink cup, the Irish coffee, and then like the cappuccino mug style. I just thought they'd be really fun, especially since I have the paper that matches. And then I got just a candy cane stripe washi. I love these skinny sizes. I found myself using more washi in my Halloween album for October Daily this year than ever before. And then I really love her handwriting, so I thought these were some nice sentiments, not too small, you know, so that you can't see them and stamp them clearly, but not too big so that, you know, it's hard to place them. So a great size there. And then I did not get the full kit from Felicity Jane this year. They have fantastic products and kits for the price. I just didn't need it. I already have so much product this year. Give me a nugget. Good deal. So their Christmas line this year is called Bella. This is the card, which is just the marketing card, but it's nice because it's 3x4. You can include it in your album, and every year there's a different girl. So there's been like Coco and Noelle and some different ones. So I got the girl stamp, and it includes the name, which is fun. So if your name happens to be that, that's pretty cool. But you can color it in or leave it black and white. But I always like getting that. I got 3 of the pockets that, oh, these are actually full-size pockets. Usually they just have the adhesive on the front. That's really cool, actually. So this is like a nice light wood grain, and I love that the notch is already created there. Got a blue and white polka dot and a red and white gingham. Yeah, usually they just have adhesive on the back. I didn't realize they were completely full. And then I got a set of these vellum hearts. There's 27 in here. And I just figured, you know, some of these will be great for Christmas, but then some will also be great for any time. There's like a nice Christmas plaid, some polka dots, lots of stripes, some solids, another really cute small plaid, some hearts. So I just thought that would be a nice fun mix, and there's a bunch of different sizes in there. And then I got a set of the die cuts. There's 32 in here. but she's got like some garland. There's a Christmas tree, a wreath, a little Bronco style car with the tree on top. There's the Bella girl, cute little house. There's some tags, some presents. There's a record. That's really fun for including on a music playlist. Chapter 12 tag. There's a black stocking, some more greenery. That's like mittens with greenery. A couple ornaments, the word jolly, some different starbursts and stars, candy canes, a little like light swag, a tab, and then a few journaling spots. So they're like chock full of stuff. And then last, I got the paper pack. And I believe that when you order the full kit, you get 1 or 2 extras, but I could be wrong. I just thought these were some really beautiful colors this year. And it's been a while since I subbed with them. This is something new I haven't seen before. I don't know if it's to help with like color swatching, maybe. But one thing that is really fun with Felicity Jane is a lot of people like to cut these out and use them for like punching things or embellishing. So keep this because it's made out of the same nice cardstock. And then, so here you have the florals and spots. So all of their papers are double-sided. And then they always have a really nice branding strip on the other side. And I believe that most of the time, the back side is almost always in black and white. It's like a neutral. So we've got the florals and black and white polka dots, candy canes, and then a gingham. And I forgot to show these. So we've got the red stripe and the multicolored trees, which is really cute. It's almost like having like a little bit of washi. A really fun green distress pattern with different colors popping through. And black trees with the numbers 1 through 25 on the bottom. That's cute. I always am a sucker for a really good red polka dot. And this is a great red with a nice, it's the perfect size pattern. I have another red pattern paper from one of their Christmas lines and I used a ton of it. So this is awesome. There's a green version on the back and then a black and white stripe. A green on green, love that color tone, with some bows. This one is red and pink. And we have that light wood grain again, which is super fun, and a Christmas plaid. Sometimes they make it really hard to choose, and it says Merry Christmas on the bottom. And then they have 2 double-sided cardstocks in coordinating colors, and you can either trim off the scalloped edge or use it. So just really fun. It'll be a nice addition, I think, to go with my Allie Edwards kit because the colors seem to coordinate fairly well. But I'm excited to have a few more goodies to play with. So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to start creating content for December Daily, and I will share with you when I do. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that, and you'll be automatically notified when my videos are posted. Thanks so much. Bye. And I did forget one little thing, totally forgot, some really cute dark wood tree confetti. And they always come in these fun little jars from Felicity Jane. And that should be everything. Thanks again.